it's me again. So today's video we're going to be doing a haul. If you guys will follow me on Instagram, I told you guys on the stories that I had bought some things from the Dollar Tree. You guys said that you wanted to see a haul, so we're going to do that today. You guys haven't noticed, I am in my new room, my new house, and we have our bed set up, but I want to get everything decorated first before I do like a reveal or a room tour and all that good stuff. So I've been going here and there looking at decor and all that, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on decor because y'all know decor can cost the arm, a leg, an ear, a breast, and a thigh, and an ankle, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm trying to keep everything within a budget, keep everything minimal, and just make it to our liking, make it a home. I know Tristan won't let me work by myself. Everyone say hi, Tristan. Say hi, Tristan.
Hi, beautiful people.
And Maddie wants to say hi. All right, let mommy work, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Mwah. Love you. Aww. You're so silly. So I also mentioned to you guys that since I live in the South now, that I want to start a series about Southern living with Chris. So pretty much it'll be videos about home decor, how we turn a house into a home, and just living in the South, because living in the South is totally different from living up north. So let's talk about the things that I got from the Dollar Tree. So without any further ado, let's get it. Yeah, so Dollar Tree is coming up, you guys. Like anything you need, Dollar Tree got you, okay? I mean, they even have a food section. I mean, they've had the food section for a while, but I mean, anything you need, they got it. So I was like, you know what, let me check out Dollar Tree for some organizational things, but also some home decor. And y'all, they really have some nice stuff, okay? Like, they are really coming up. So I just want to show you guys what I got. Alright, so I got some frames because I love pictures and I want, you know, our homes to have pictures around the house. So I got some nice frames here, which Tristan's eating. Hey babe. I have 4 of these square frames. It looks like it's hard, but it's plastic, you guys. Like, I just love it. So I bought 4 of these designs, and I also bought an oval one, and I love it. Like, our knobs and stuff in our house are brushed nickel, so I want to kind of keep everything that style. So this looks something similar to it, so I was like, oh yeah. And I bought some 3x5 frames. So I bought this frame and also the 8x10s because I want to do a gallery wall. So if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much pictures on the wall. Like, it's like a gallery of pictures on the wall, and I just love like the white print around the frames. I mean, I like the white part around the picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out some pictures, and I'm going to attempt to do a DIY. Well, actually buying them like from companies and stuff costs a lot, so I'm going to attempt to do one by myself. So y'all pray for me. I'm going to do a video about that, so if you guys are interested or you want to do one as well, and I do it when you guys have inspiration on how to do it for a really low price. I've also bought some flowers because I love flowers, and if you don't know, I always buy my flowers from Dollar Tree because not only are they pretty, but they're $1, okay? So I bought some white ones. I bought some, it's not rose gold, but it's like a blush pinkish color. So I bought this, and it actually matches our bed set, so I'm going to put these in our room. And I bought some, and I also bought some silver because Christmas is coming around the corner. They have Christmas ones out already, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get some silver ones, and then I'll go back and get the Christmas ones to add to that collection. So I bought these. So these colors match our house very well, and I bought a good amount of them. So I bought some glitter drape because Christmas is coming around the corner, and where our TV is sitting on like a buffet thing, and it's brown at the top. So I want to get that covered. So I figured we can just cover it with some drape. Since we don't have a chimney here, I'm going to put this by our TV, and I'm going to put our stockings. So it's going to pretty much be like our chimney, I guess, with no smoke. So I think once I do it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I figured that I'll go ahead and get this and add it to our TV right now, just to cover up that brown, because I don't like it. I bought some glass vase. So I'm thinking about spray painting these white, just so that way they kind of go better. Not even white. I think I want to spray paint them like this color. I don't know yet, or should I just leave them glass? I'm not sure, but I just bought these for the flowers. I didn't want to get like a big vase because that would have required me to buy more flowers, and I didn't want to take all the flowers from the store because other people need to buy flowers too, you know. So I was like, okay, well, let me just get these. I think I bought like 4 of them. So yeah, vases, y'all, vases. They have vases. Anybody that needs it. I have a picture hanging kit, so pretty much it comes with any type of hanging needle, or not needle, but nail that you need to put up the frames. I have frames that I want to put up, so I have enough. So I have enough to put up on the wall. Like I bought more. Oh, okay. I knew I did. I knew I bought some more. All right, so I found these as well. So I bought 3 of these, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen these in homes, but they're usually like on a wall. Well, I want to put these on our stairs, like going up our stairs, because I know some people put pictures going up their stairs, but in this house I don't want to do that. I can't envision pictures going up those stairs in this house. So I figured, why not just get like a mirror type of style going up there. So I'm gonna put this near the bottom, this in the middle, and this at the top. So they had different designs, but I wanted to get like, you know, alternating, I guess. But I feel like 3 should be enough. Like doing too much up there is not going to look good. So I figured 3 would do. Okay, so for organizational purposes, I bought these baskets because I want to organize like my hair products and my cleaning products and stuff. I don't want them sitting on the racks inside of the linen closets, because we have linen closets. Ah, so excited, oh my gosh. So yeah, just having a linen closet, y'all, won't do it. So I figured I would get baskets to organize our products, so like my hair products, my grease and stuff, and also for bathroom products, because we keep our bathroom cleaning products under the sink. So I figured, why not get baskets to do that as well. I'm going to do a video about organizing using these Dollar Tree products, so if you guys are interested as well, it is coming. I have so much organizing to do, it's not even funny. Like, it's just like it's just too much, but we're gonna get her done. So I got like a lot of baskets. I think I took all the white baskets because I needed them. Okay, I know they get shipments every Tuesday, but your girl needed it. Okay, and I am going to utilize them. Also got an acrylic organizer. So I needed it for my makeup brushes, my lip gloss, and stuff like that, because right now, or lately, I've been keeping my makeup in my traveling bag, and I don't like digging through my bag to get my makeup and stuff. I want to get to my sink and everything's there. So I'm going to put some of these like in this here downstairs in my bathroom, and then I also have another one that I'm gonna put upstairs in my vanity in my office, so that way I have makeup, you know, all over the house. I have these, and I can't believe they sell these at Dollar Tree now. Like, that is crazy. The one I bought before was from Amazon, so to find these at Dollar Tree, yeah, hold on, Tristan wants me. And then of course Maddie wanted the toy, so she got a pink ball that she liked at the Dollar Tree. So that is all that I got. I thought I bought some more. Oh, I did. Oh my gosh. It's out there, but I also bought some plates. They have some silver plates. I was going to put them on our island, but I'm going to put them on our dining table, and I'm going to put like plates on top of that plate, just that way it looks kind of like, you know, it's staged as a dining set or whatnot. And you know, Thanksgiving is coming up, so I want to go ahead and kind of set the table, set the mood or whatnot. So yeah, I left that out there. But yeah, that is all that I bought from the Dollar Tree, so I will be going there some more. And I also want to check out Family Dollar, Dollar General. Y'all know I've been going to Big Lots, went to Kirkland, go check out Home Goods. Just trying to keep everything within the budget. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.